Did not think this through. Hi drillers, welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande and I use power tools to empower and educate women to convert their spaces. Today's video is in collaboration with BUCO. Supplies used in this DIY were gifted by BUCO. BUCO is currently running a campaign to keep money into your pocket from the 4th of February till the 4th of April. Yes, a sale! Over 1,000 items that they have in store and online are going at a reduced price. So if you ever want to start DIYing or fixing up something around the house, this is the best time to do it. And go to your local BUCO. In today's video, as you've read from the title, I am finally building my tool storage unit. Follow me on Instagram, you will know that for the whole year of 2020 I kept being like, okay, I need storage for my DIY supplies, and I finally built it. I have accumulated a lot of power tools and DIY supplies since me branching off to being a DIY content creator. So I've had a terrible habit of basically scattering my items all over the house. We'd be jumping over spirit levels. When I'm looking for an item or a power tool and I can't remember where last I put it. So today's video, you are going to be helping me build the storage unit. My cut list along with everything that I used to create this storage unit will be detailed down in the description box below, so please do check out the description box. Okay, enough talking, let's get into building. So the reason why I'm pre-drilling into the wood is to prevent the wood from splitting. Measure twice and drill once. So I'm going to flip this on here and I'm going to assemble it. I have lifted my wood off the ground so that when I'm drilling in my holes, it doesn't hit the floor. I just placed off cuts of wood that are all the same width underneath this board, and then I'll be drilling through. just marking off where I'll be placing my glue, just ensuring that this is aligned. Off camera, I will assemble the other end. Guys, it is now day 2. As you can see that the size of my power tools storage unit has decreased, and that is because I cut off 50 centimeters from it because I realized that actually it was too wide in the space that I want to utilize in our garage. We're currently now using it for something else, so that then forced me to then now cut it from 150 centimeters wide for it to be now 100 centimeters wide, and I'm actually happy with it. It's nice and compact now. Now I'm just going to create boxes for my actual tools. So I'm then going to put everything together and then we reveal. This project has been so much fun to do. I think also I've enjoyed it because I finally got to do something that I need, that I'm going to utilize on a consistent basis when I'm recording my videos. So you guys are going to be seeing this baby a lot. For this video I'm just going to sand it down. I'm not going to paint it. I might paint it in a vlog or something. I think we need to paint in this video. But yeah, I hope you have liked. If you haven't liked, then I don't know, like, how can you get this far in the video and you're not like? So hit that like button. I must say I've been very impressed with this glue. I used it to glue this on here, and good, I love it, and it's also affordable, so that's a bonus. Now I'm putting on the wheels, my lockable swivel wheels. So 2 unlockable ones in the front and 2 lockable ones in the back. We'll flip this baby over and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like on wheels. sponsoring the supplies. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below how are you storing your DIY supplies. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace. How am I gonna get up? I did not think this through. Good thing the wheels are lockable because it's not moving.